What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marcus from the Fly Cleaners checking in. I appreciate everybody coming to rock with me and check me out. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. This is part 1 of the Jordan 11 series, and in this video we're going to show you how to get from this to this. Air Jordan Space Jam 11 2016. First, I want to give a big shout out to my homeboy Cody at So Ambitious on Instagram for rocking with me and believing in me. And in this video, I'm going to narrate how to properly remove the sole, do a proper sole swap with a reglue with all the lines even along the whole shoe. Also, I'm going to reshine the patent leather and give it a thorough deep cleaning inside and out. We don't have to do nothing here at the Fly Cleaners. And so, appreciate everybody coming to rock with me. Thanks again. And all products used in this video will be available on my website at theflycleanersatl.com. Also, if you're not following me, follow me on TikTok at the Fly Cleaners, Instagram, the_fly_cleaners, and Facebook, the_fly_cleaners. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, answer any questions. And without any further ado, let's get right on into it. So as a must, we want to get started with cleaning these shoelaces. Now what we're doing now is we're removing the sole from the donors, a pair of UA donors I had all copped. Now what we're doing is we're taking acetol and cotton balls to actually get the whole sole off. It takes a little time to work with it, but once you get that top part off, you can then turn around and use the steamer to get the rest of the sole off, as we're doing here. Now, what we're doing is taking the actual Space Jam shoe, giving it a thorough deep cleaning inside and out. We don't have to do anything around here at the Fly Cleaners. Get inside out, top, bottom, mesh, everything. Taking the brush, disinfecting the whole inside of the shoe with some disinfectant, some smell good, and soap. Also, taking the brush, cleaning the mesh, focusing mostly on the mesh to get all of the hidden dirt on the inside out. Sometimes you can put in the washing machine, put the insole in to keep its form. Sole's been removed. We're getting the old glue off of the Space Jam, cutting all the shrubbery around the mesh, burning it lightly with a lighter just to get it even. Taping up. Now we're applying the patent leather sealant that I used to bring it back its original shine. Patent leather coating has been successfully applied on both shoes. Now into the grow tent to let it dry. Patent leather coating has been successfully dried on both shoes. Now we're removing the tape. The midsoles had deep stains that were unremovable after scrubbing, so using an airbrush and Jacquard Optic White airbrush paint, I applied a few strokes to get it even. So on to the gluing of the sole. We're going to use Bar Super Stick cement glue and apply it on the sole, covering the area that we're going to reglue, and also on the shoe we're going to apply the glue. Also taking our time putting it on, and also using a smaller brush if times needed to get those areas in the corners so it won't be any gaps or mishaps when regluing. Heat up the toe area, clamp that, then move on to the rest of the shoe. Taking your time, inch by inch, slowly and patiently applying the sole back together. Getting the whole sole back on the shoe. You want to make sure that you align it right with the rest of the shoe. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the finished result. Seeing that the sole has been lined back on evenly, no gaps, no spaces in between. Came straight back out the factory, and here we go. The end result, from some beaters to some heaters. Space Jam 11's 2016. Back to the streets. Save yourself about $350 because that's what they're going for right now. Like and subscribe, follow for more.